Hello guys, welcome back in new lesson. Today I will show how to create and add YouTube subscribe button to your YouTube videos. First of all, here I share with you how to create subscribe button in Photoshop. You can see I'm creating here. As per your demand, you can anything you make. Select and copy and save this file. You can see I have saved this file. Then go to your YouTube channel, then click settings, then channel, then click banding. Here you can see previously I have one, then you remove this one and choose this file or picture. This format not, due to I save this file in JPG format, you can see the PNG format is supported. Then I will go to Photoshop, change this file format and size, image size. Then save this file PNG format. Then save, then OK. Then again go to the settings, channel, then banding. Let's remove this one, choose the file, picture, and select this one. You can see here show this option, and you can want to change this one, then customize or other thing, then save. Now we set this button in your video. Here I check this one, it's working or not. You can see in show the subscribe button. In your video. Okay, again check. Go to the YouTube, then search my channel. AM Technology. Then go to video, then select one video to check. it's working or not. Then you can see here in subscribe option and show. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and comment below. Thanks.